Alright, you recording?
Yes. Can I stop recording?
Okay, no, no. I don't know how to do this intro. I want it to be just kind of chill.
You want this to be chill? Excuse
Just
me?
kind
We're
of
playing
chill.
Connect 4.
Connect 4 is very intense. I got it. Hello, what's up? Today we're gonna be playing some Connect 4.
Alright, no.
Oh my god, we're going.
Are you first?
I'm first.
I'm the better player.
Fuck you.
You know, Connect 4 is basically like the chess of the future. In the future, nobody's gonna be playing chess. It's all gonna be about Connect 4, the best game in the world.
I want a competitive Connect 4, dog.
Wow.
Incredible!
GG. This is pretty insane.
Blue has shut down.
Make some noise for the finalists.
He's trying to knock that guy out. Oh,
He's double kill! Triple kill!
what? That was amazing.
They are your Ubisoft gaming
Oh yeah, sure you do. Just for the fucking. I didn't say anything.
Calm down.
Why are you good all of a sudden?
What are you talking about? This I was playing earlier.
Damn it. Alright, I'm blocking you off right now.
Alright. Oh fuck. Shit.
Wait, you're gonna bleep this out?
I mean, I'll whatever. If some slip
Alright,
out,
well-
if some slip out. Oh, no, calm down. No, hey, calm down. Calm the freak down. Calm.
I mean, you basically gave me permission. Oh my god. That was the worst
Damn
you
it.
played yet. That was the worst.
You were
I can't-
clearly not gonna go in there. Like you were not gonna fall for that. So I was like, whatever.
Yeah. Oh, you're so garbage! You're at 3 seconds. You're at 3 seconds.
Shit.
Oh shit. You're scaring me.
You're scaring me, dog.
I know I am.
Why you ruined the pattern? This is very intense.
Yeah, it's very intense. Ooh, this is bad.
This is really bad.
You're not gonna catch me with that. Gave me that.
Oh my god, I really did that. I thought about that way long ago. Dog. Oh my god. And I was like, oh, I'm not gonna fall for that. What do I do? 5 seconds later, dog?
If you continue with this, you're gonna have to rename this video "Getting Destroyed" at Connect 4.
Oh, I'm yellow now. Shit, that confused me.
Yeah, it confused me too. Psh, you're making this difficult on me, Tristan.
Yeah, okay, calm down, buddy.
Yo, I got this all planned out. This entire game.
I don't know what to do.
Oh, dude, that was the worst. Oh my god.
Dude, I literally suck. I'm so bad. I can't my brain doesn't process this, dog. At all.
Yo, this is the saddest thing I've ever. Is actually. How are you so bad at Connect 4? Oh shit! I almost did not. No. I'm not gonna make any amateur mistakes like that. the fuck? What are you doing? Chill out, chill out. You're scaring me, you're scaring me.
I didn't mean to put that there. What are you doing?
Oh, I just won. I just won again. Yeah.
Hey, frick you, dog.
Shit. I can't wait.
Yes!
What?
Let's go! Let's go! Let's freaking go! Let's go! Let's go!
Yo, shut your mouth. Don't make me come over there. We're not doing
Stop
this.
playing whatever game you're playing.
No, I was going, let's go! Let's go! I played Connect 4.
Oh
my god.
Bro, this is actually sad.
No! No!
Dude, you just, oh my god. Right after you get one win, you start messing it up for yourself.
No! No! So bad.
Oh my god.
I almost did it again.
Dude,
No! How?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
It's so bad. God damn it. You're so bad. You fell for all of my traps. I don't even think I need to pay attention to what you're doing, because honestly, you're
my
just
god.
not gonna win.
Oh my god. Let's go, dog.
Wait, what?
Let's go. Oh my god, you suck. You suck.
Just as I was saying, you don't need to pay attention.
You suck.